Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install discs onto your Bosch angle grinder. So once you've bought your Bosch angle grinder, it comes with two pieces of one is a washer, another one is a fastener, but you'll notice that it has different elements on both sides. They are not the same. So the first thing you do is that you go with this one. This is the washer and this is the fastener. The fastener has holes. I'll be telling you what those holes are for in a bit. So as for the washer, you notice that it has two sides. There's that one and there's this other side. So this side that has something that looks like the top of a hex nut, that is the part that goes to the bottom, so that it fits into this part. As you can see, those lines. So just put it on top of that and make sure that it has fit. Okay, and then you're going to take one of your discs. So this is a cutting disc. So place your cutting disc on that portion. I believe you can put it on any side, but I prefer putting mine on this side. I think this should be the right way to install it. So make sure it fits in there, and also make sure you have the right size of discs, the circumference. And then for the fastener, if you're installing a cutting disc, you're going to install it on this side that has an indent, as opposed to this side that has one of the portions sticking out. So this side that has an indent and is flat, that is the one that you use to fasten. So insert it in there, twist it until it's somewhat tight, and then you turn your angle grinder on this side, press this red button and turn it until it locks. And once it has locked in, whilst also pressing the red button, you're going to take your key. This comes with your angle grinder, and you're going to insert it there and you're going to tighten it as much as you can. Okay, so make sure it's tight enough so that when you're using it, it doesn't fly off. And also to remove it, you press the red button again and unfasten it. Like that. Okay, and so as for the grinder, the grinding disc, you leave the washer as it is. The washer always stays like that, and you install your angle, the grinding disc in that way. You don't install it like this, because then that means it will be grinding on the guard. So this one, you install it while facing up. The printed elements are on the bottom. And as for the fastener, this one now we do the opposite. The part where you have something sticking out, that should fit perfectly inside your grinder disc. So that's how we're going to fasten this, so that the side with the indent is facing up, like so. And then now press on the red button, turn this until it locks in, and then take your key and fasten it as much as you can. And with that, guys, you're ready to use your angle grinder. My hope is that you learned something new today about installing cutting and grinding discs on your angle grinder. Remember to subscribe and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.